Meyer, CEO of UK. At the right, he's the managing director of Ørsted UK.
It's our turbine blade factory. If you go up these stairs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce you to the people who work here and maybe show you one thing. They're only 29 tons weight, and that's because we use this lightweight material. It's quite a spiral. Yeah, thanks Ian. Thank you very much. This is a blade gets thinner as it goes on, so it matches the wind. I don't know if you've got a second just to turn around, and I can show you the shape and the form. And this is what these gentlemen do.
Right, keeping no wrinkles, that's why we're using the smoother here. It's smooth.
You can't have any wrinkles in it.
There is a flex, yes. Yeah, when I do a test to check the warranty of the blade. Yeah.
Well done. So that's it.
So this is
It's usually this scale.
it is remarkable.
And I don't know if you know, we put one of these in the central hall of the City of Culture. So we actually had an art exhibition with one of these right in the centre of the square. So we took the blade and a million people came to see it.
I invite you to help us to unveil the plaque, memorizing your visit.
It's a tremendous honour to have Her Majesty visit your place of work. I'm sure everybody would understand that. But mainly for our employees who represent the City of Hull. So when we came here, we made a bold statement we'd employ local people, and that's what we've done. So it was really special for them. So I've got to give full credit to Her Majesty. Her enjoyment to being here, her interest in the technology, the size of what we produce, but also the complexity of it, she found very interesting. And she stopped and talked to every single person, and that was, you saw, maybe 40 people that she stopped and talked to, showed great interest in what they had to do, where they were in the factory, what they did. So great experience for everybody.
Yeah, she was just showing her interest in the way we put the blade together, and I was explaining to her about the glass, the different types of glass we use, how you create the strength of the blade, through the different types of glass, and then she was very interested in the flexibility of the blade. Was surprised to know how much it moves under testing and in actual production. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I snapped up the chance as soon as I was asked to participate. So it's been really exciting. So take that pride away, you know. So every time you come to work, you're doing a great job, and it's hopefully respected by other people.